Hi, I'm Dr. Bauer here at RunLab in Austin, Texas. I'm a physical therapist, and today I'm going to show you how to foam roll your adductors. So your adductors are a group of muscles that sit on the inside of the thigh right here. They go all the way up to your groin, all the way down to your knee, and they sit right on the inside here. So this is a pretty tricky place to get into. So the positioning is a little bit challenging, but we're going to get the foam roller situated in a vertical orientation like this. We're going to lay face down, kind of like in a frog-like position here. You're going to sit our weight down, maybe prop yourself up on your elbows a little bit, and then rock back and forth. Now you can start kind of in the middle. You can work your way down toward the knee. This area tends to get a little sensitive, so be careful here. And then you can also put it up near the groin. And again, that area can be kind of sensitive, so just be careful with the pressure you're putting through it.